Namaskara, my dear farmers. Today, again, I want to discuss about liquid waste decomposer. As you know, the liquid waste decomposer is a form of all living bacteria, highly condensed bacteria, very useful bacteria for the agriculture, all types of cultivation, for even animals. You have seen the results of animals. And others use also, there is no side effect to the human being. That has been proved, and a lot of videos has been shared by my farmers. So today I want to show you some magical results of this waste decomposer, which has happened in this season only. First of all, it has tried by one of my farmers. He is living in the Indore. He is doing the cultivation on the terrace gardening. He just cultivated cauliflower on his roof. Again, he has harvested one of the flower from the upper side, and his stem he kept in the pot itself. But even then, he is giving the waste decomposer, micronutrient and stone elements, whatever he has prepared, it is continuing with that. So what he has seen after the 10 days, it has again started fruiting, sprouting. Not in one, it is started 5 places in the same stem of the cauliflower. So he was surprised, but as he has seen already some reports from my video, so he is continuing with the practices, and after 30 days, whatever video he has shared that I am going to share with you, it is 5 cauliflower has been again sprouted in the stem. With this is the magic. It never happened because seed is same, cultivation process is same, but it is due to use of waste decomposer along with micronutrient, along with your stones element, along with your liquid manure, whatever I have told in my videos, in different videos, all practices if you do, you will find this type of magical results. So he has got the result at his top of the roof. So same thing if you do when you harvest the cauliflower, cabbage or your broccoli, you will find the same results because others have got the same. So you have to practice with the waste decomposer. When you are doing the, again I repeat, when you are doing the cultivation of the any vegetables, you have to use 1000 liter waste decomposer per acre along with 100 liter micronutrient, 100 liter your leaves extract, 100 liter your stone elements, and if you have a liquid manure, that also you put 100 liter. Altogether 1400 liter, 100 liter micronutrient, 100 liter your this leaves extract, 100 liter your stone element, then 100 liter your manure, liquid manure that you put. It is about 1400 liter per irrigation, either it is drip irrigation or manual irrigation, whatever you are doing, but 1400 liters must go in every irrigation. You will find this type of results, and even your production, if you see he has harvested one flower, again 5 his came, so it is increased by 5 times, and he is getting the results in roof. But if you do in long in a field, because other my farmers has got the result in their field, so you can also try and see the magical results of the liquid waste decomposer.
यहाँ की गोभी कट की थी, उसके 7-8 दिन बाद कुछ इस टाइप से, ये देखिए आप, ये 1 2 3 4 और एक छोटा सा 5 गोभी के फ्लावर्स।
हेलो किसान मित्र, मैं एक चीज़ देख रहा हूँ जो कि केमिकल में इस तरह से नहीं आता है, जहाँ तक मेरा ध्यान है। ये मैं 17 दिन आगे, ये 16-17 दिन हो गया ये धान काटे हुए, और इसमें फिर से हर एक करीब हर एक कल्ले में से, देखिए ध्यान से देखिए, हर एक कल्ले में से फिर से ये फूल फेंका है, फिर से फूल फेंका है। एक प्लांट में नहीं, इसमें भी देखिए फेंक रहा है, आगे भी देखिए इसमें भी फेंक रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, आगे जितना भी आप देखेंगे हर एक में आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, ये हर एक में आ रहा है। नया पत्ता निकला है वो ठीक है, लेकिन ये धान की बालियां ये डबल निकल रही है। ये मेरे विचार से ये आश्चर्य घटना है, और 1-2 बालियां नहीं, काफ़ी बालियां आ रही है, और स्वस्थ बालियां हैं जिसमें धान के दाने। ये मिरेकल ही है, और ये मिरेकल, ये आश्चर्यजनक घटना है सब। OWDC ओरिजिनल वेस्ट डिकम्पोजर और माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स और स्टोन लिक्विड का ही असर है। देखिए आगे फिर से मैं इस वीडियो को जब पूरी तरह से फल जाएगा तो मैं फिर से डालूँगा। धन्यवाद।